It's time for November's Maker Swap bonus swap. This month's Maker Swap bonus swap is with Jamie Page from jpwoodwork. I will stick a link to his YouTube channel right up there. Go check him out. In the description below will be his Instagram and YouTube channel links. Jamie was a great inspiration at the beginning of my woodworking career. He kind of gave me some pointers on what I would need to get started on turning pens or bowls and that kind of thing. And I thank him for that. Thank you, Jamie. I have this little Spalted Hackbery blank here. I've been in a little rut trying to figure out what I wanted to make Jamie. I didn't want to make him just a pen. And the other day I was putting on a pair of pants and that fell off. So I thought, what about I turn this into a button? You know, a big button, just a little artsy piece, kind of like a paperweight, or you can hang it on the wall. So let's make a button for Jamie Page. Here we go. I didn't realize that piece of sawdust was there until I was completely finished. So I have no footage from this camera. So there we go. November's Maker Swap bonus swap is done. A little button for Jamie Page of JP Woodwork. I will put some pictures at the end so you can take a look at it a little closer. I think this thing came out really cute. I tried filling that wormhole with some black Starbond CA, but it just would not stay in there, so I left it. Gives us some character. Signed the back for him. Jamie, thank you so much for being part of Maker Swap 2020. Also, thank you guys for watching. Like always, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. If you have anything I can do differently or you'd like to see, stick a comment in the comments down below. Let me know. Again, thank you, JP, and I'll see you next month for Maker Swap 2020 in December.